All right, come along with me on a tour in an organic farm, a family farm, located inside Costa Rica, situated on the Gulf of Nicoya, in the beautiful land of Roma Del Mar. This family farm is called Finca Eco Dreams, and I'll put their website in the caption below.
Oh. Blackberry. ¿Sí? Mora. Sí. Mora. Blackberry. Mora.
It's not ready. I need
2 more days.
yeah, black or purple.
Now, before you guys say comments making fun of me about my Spanish and their English and all that stuff, I don't speak a lick of Spanish. Very little English for them.
Very nice. Good. Bien.
Muy bueno.
Muy bueno.
Muy bueno.
All right, so like I said, no comments. I'm doing my best. We had an amazing time. What an amazing experience.
Granada.
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 Es medicinal.
Oh.
¿Sí?
For what?
Yeah. For circulación. Sí.
Stomach? Like?
No.
Circulación de...
There's blood.
Blood?
Right.
Oh.
Para la
Okay.
circulación. No sé en inglés. Y eso es guayaba. Guava. En inglés es guayaba.
Guava?
En inglés, guava. No sé, es negrito.
Oh, pitaya tiene flores.
Ajá, this is pitaya.
Pitaya?
Ajá. Aquí.
Ah, sí.
Fruta.
Oh.
Eso.
Like
Dragon
fruit. Yeah.
Sí, dragon fruit.
See.
Entonces marañón, aquí. This is marañón.
Marañón?
Sí, marañón, eso. También fruit. Y mandarina.
Mandarina spicy.
Okay.
Spicy, no.
Sí, un poco.
No. Es piña.
Piña?
Pineapple.
Pineapple.
Pineapple. Ah, más o menos.
And what's this?
Puedes probar. Puedes.
Acid.
Acid.
Very acid.
Okay. Acidic.
Ajá. Very.
Okay, so that's a dragon fruit plant or tree, and those are the flowers, and they only bloom once on a full moon, and then they just kind of like, they fade down like that. So it's like a cactus. So cool. This is a yucca plant, and they're big. These are sugar plants, kind of like sugar cane. Here. Big banana trees. This is all sweet potato here. Sweet potato. And then these are coffee beans. Real coffee. And then corn, maíz.
Sí.
All organic.
And beans.
And beans. Okay, beans in between the corn stalks. So cool.
Papi.
So we got rabbits here, and these are the moms and the dads. And then when they have offspring, those are for breeding, for eating. And then chicken.
Sí.
For eating?
Yeah.
And all these chickens for eating.
Baby. Little baby.
Babies.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
Little baby.
These little babies. Okay, so lettuce, basil, bok choy,
Mostaza.
mustasa,
Espinaca.
espinaca,
Rábano.
habano,
¿Sí? Los pequeños rojos. Y también.
radish.
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 Sí.
Cool.
This is,
Sugar cane.
yeah. But it's very young.
Young?
It's sweet.
Okay.
And needed 2 months, 3 months.
We're going in.
No, yo aquí lo recogió. Ah, ya, aquí.
Mm-hmm. Fresh eggs.
Ahí.
Son míos, son míos.
¿Son tuyos?
Sí, son de las gallinas. Tengo muchas.
Sí, Lisla.
Little. Babies, yes.
Oh, babies. Baby chickens.
Sí, no sé, en inglés, no sé. English, no name. Color miss.
Doves. Or, oh, quail.
Quail.
Quail. Cool. We got quail here.
Tiene pequeños huevos.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Sugar cane.
No,
I know. Don't swallow it. You just gotta suck it. Okay.
Juanilama.
Juanelama.
Bueno,
And it's for stomach and digestion.
okay.
Okay.
Yeah, super good.
Say it again one more time. One more. The name?
Juanilama.
Juanelama.
Juanilama.
Juanelama.
Juanilama.
I'm going to research that because it's for the stomach. Anise.
Anise.
All right, so we got some anise right here. Also very, very good for the stomach and digestion while I'm carrying my sugar cane still. This is unbelievable. Some fresh basil, and I just had some. Unbelievable. So good.
Menta.
And then mint.
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 Oh. Oh my God. So good. And so the rainy season has just started, so everything's starting to grow now. There's still much more time for cultivation. Wow. All right. These are very, very hot peppers, also known as muy caliente.
Go.
¿Yo qué?
No, come.
¿Qué?
So, what's that?
Se llama espinaca.
Pinaca?
De Popeye el Marino.
Popeye, spinach.
Ajá. Very, very.
Yeah, okay. So this is, we call it purslane. And I grew up on my grandparents' farm, and there was purslane everywhere. And you put it in salads. So you just take a little piece like this, and then like that, and you just eat it. So good. My favorite.
En... No, esa no. No son esas. Pero
They're
tengo una.
beautiful. So this flower, she says that it's for Chanel number 5.
Mhm.
That's where they get the smell from. This one right here. And then,
Ah. Va.
so cool. Let me smell this. There. Here. Oh, wow.
Red is very more intense.
Hmm.
But
So if this was redder, like darker, it would be more intense. Everything's still just brand new. Like I said, just because it's the rain season is just starting. Mm.
No, papi, espérate, él lo quiere hacer.
All right, so this is honey that I have to bring down.
Yes. Ahí.
Ya, ya.
Para abajo, para abajo.
Ahora las abejas no pican.
No. Oh,
Te
thank
deja
you.
comer su miel.
Thank you.
These are small honeybees.
Qué rico la miel. Pero me voy. Pica. Ah, es muy rica.
Ay.
Ellas no pican, mamá. Ya
Vamos a ver si hay.
Yeah, you get it late. Yeah, I prepared it.
Ujú.
A ver.
Oh,
Ah,
Sí hay.